Hello everyone, welcome to Code4U. So today we will be talking about everything you require to start your game development journey. This video is going to be very useful to everyone who wants to make games in Unity or any software. So first of all, any game comprises of two parts. First part is the UI and the second part is the code. Everything which is visible on the screen is called UI, the user interface. This includes buttons, 2D and 3D assets and many more. We will also cover sound and SFX under this part. The second part of game, which is code, helps user to interact with the game. So first of all, let's see the coding part. In Unity, you can code in C# language. So if you are new in coding, what should be the best way to learn it? I would suggest you to start with learning the basics of C# coding in Unity. Don't go for random topics on YouTube. Stick to any video playlist on YouTube, which teaches all about the basics of C# coding in Unity. There are tons of video series on YouTube. You can also take a course on Udemy. That is also a great place to learn new things. Once you have learned basics of C#, then you can go for advanced topics. What I believe the best way to learn advanced concept is by making small games. When you will make any game, then in that game, you will think of actions which you would want to achieve, like spawning balls at a fixed rate, or you might have any error in your code which you would want to solve. So the best way to find a solution is to search for it on internet. Like if there is some error in your code, then copy the error from console and paste it on internet, or you can write it in your own language. In this way you will learn new concepts. Okay, let me show you by an example. So for this, let's jump into Unity. So there is some script attached to this game object. Let's not look into that for now. Let's run the game. As I run it, I am seeing there is an error. So what I will do is I will copy this line and open Google and paste it over there and search for it. At end you can also put Unity, which helps them to understand your problem more clearly. When we hit search, we see there are many answers. What I will do is I will search for Unity forum or the Stack Overflow. These are two great places to solve your doubts and learn new things. So let's open Unity forum. So we are now on this question. We go little down, we see there are 3 replies. Then we go to the most rated reply. This is the most rated reply, and we see we got our answer. We can also search on YouTube for a problem in the same way. So in this way, you will keep learning new things and your concept will build gradually. Another very important thing closely related to coding is version control. Version controlling will save a lot of your time. It helps to go back in your code. Let's say you did something in your code and because of which your code started showing error. You can search for it on internet, that is an option. But if it is still not solved, like if the problem is very specific to your code, like somewhere instead of plus you wrote minus or anything like that, and you are not able to find this issue because of complexity of your code, in that case, you will have to start from scratch again. But if you are using version controlling, you can go back to your code when your code was working and you can start from there. For version controlling, you can use source tree. I'll put a link of all the softwares in the description. Okay, let me show you quickly the source tree. So these are all the projects which I am currently working. As you can see, I have made many changes in my game and I have pinned different times in my games, and I can easily switch to that time. Another very important thing is you can also put your codes on cloud so that it remains safe even when it is deleted from your computer. For this, you can use either BITBUCKET or GitHub. You can find many videos on YouTube about how to create account on it. One thing I would like to mention is that on BITBUCKET, you can create public or private, both kind of repositories. While on GitHub, you can only make public repositories. So that was all about the coding part. I hope this was an informative tutorial. In next video, we will be covering everything related to the UI elements like buttons, sound effects, SFX, 2D and 3D game assets. So if you liked the video, please like it, and I will see you in next video.